If you're new to the channel, I am Uncle Mark. I'm going to show you how to set your clock on your radio in your GM or Chevy vehicle. This is on an Impala, but I think they use this radio on a bunch of different vehicles. It's real easy. I'll show you how. If you take your key and you turn the ignition to on so the radio lights up, there you go. And you can have the radio on or not. If you look at these two little buttons here by the tuning, probably never noticed those before. One says hour and the other says minutes. Really hard to see. So it's pretty easy. We'll do the hours first. You just hold it down until you hear a beep, and you can let go and then quickly set it. And if you need like it to go to AM or PM, just keep going 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till you get to that. Same with the minutes. You just hold it down until you hear it beep. Then it'll start running. So you might have to just let go, and then you can do each number till you get to the right time. It's pretty easy. And just leave it alone. Shut it off and it should remember where you are. It's that easy. Check out my other videos on this car. Check out my channel as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. On your GM or Chevy vehicle. Let's take a look right at it. No, it doesn't work. Oh, it's cold here. Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. We need something. It needs to be a little warmer here.